What's up guys, it's your boy Devon Dooley, and today we're just going to learn how to disappear just like we did in that last clip. The only thing you're really going to need to pull this effect off is a tripod. Now, when you think about pulling this off, just think about having layers as your clips. You're going to need a base layer that has you in it, and you're also going to need another layer that has nothing in your background, just like this. Simple. Now remember not to touch anything in your background when you actually do this, so that way the continuity doesn't mess up and you don't have anything change in your background. Such as, like, if there's this bottle here, you don't want to have this bottle here and then remove the bottle in between shots because you're going to have a jump cut. So just try not to touch anything in the background so that way you don't have anything that gets in the way. 1 second, I'm kind of thirsty. So at the moment that you want to disappear in your clip, place a cut on the timeline. Go to the next spot where you actually want to blend it in and place another cut and pull those two clips together. Now there are two more effects that you really will need to really sell this effect, and that's a sound effect and some type of smoke or debris that actually makes a puff when you disappear. Place your sound effect at the intersection of your two clips and line it up so that way it actually happens at the right moment, so it really sells the effect. Do the same thing with your ink droplet. Pull that over the intersection of the clips, go to your blend mode and change your blend mode to screen. After that, it should drop out all the black and you should be able to see it over top of your footage. Move it over to the right spot, tweak it between going left and right, and once it's at the right spot, you should be good to go. Feel free to change around the speed duration as well, so that way it can happen faster or slower. You can adjust it to how you actually want to on your clip. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It's super simple. I'll leave assets in the link below so that way you guys can download them and actually check it out that way. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, like, share this with your friend, homie, anybody. And until next time guys, it's your boy Devon Dooley. Peace out.